Hello everyone, this is Eugene. So in this video, we'll be going through how to build a simple data lake on cloud using Apache Oozie tool. So before we start, we have to make sure that we have our data files ready. So first we have our log files, and then after that we have our CSV files containing our temperature data. Okay, so next we have to make sure that we have our job files ready. So we will be going through all these job files. So first will be our Hive script. This is our script to create table and database where we will eventually store our output of Oozie. Okay, next it will be our transform and insert SQL. This for this we will be processing the load from our data load from our weblog into the table that we created previously. Okay, next this will be our pick script. So this script is to process and store the weather data into our table. And next we have our job property and also our workflow. So these two files is to prepare for our Oozie job engine. So next we will be preparing our EMR cluster. So first we have to have an AWS account. So for my account, I'm using the Educate account. So first we have to create our storage space in S3. So you can, in find services, you just type S3 and you can find. Okay, so over here you have to create a bucket. Okay, so create something unique over here and then you press next and to create. For this demo I've already created. This is my S3 bucket. Okay, so within your S3 bucket you will need to create folder. So I've created this create folder over here, and I created this raw folder over here. So this is where I put my raw files shown earlier. Just simply upload over here. You can drag and drop over here to have your files placed inside the S3 bucket. Now that we have our storage space, next we want to create a EC2 key pair. Over here you can just type EC2, or over here you can see it's right here. Okay, over here you just scroll down to find network and security. So what you want to do is you want to create a key pair. Okay, name a unique key pair. This is for encryption and decryption later on. Over here I've already created my key pair. Okay, so next we want to go to our EMR. You can just type EMR over here, analytics, you can go to EMR. Okay, this is our elastic web videos. Okay, over here we already have a cluster running. I'll just show you how to create a cluster. So for our tutorial, we will have to go to advanced option because we will need to include additional application. We need to have Oozie and also hcatalog, and then everything else is fine. You can go next. You might want to change the instance type according to your computer's performance. And over here we'll proceed with our EC2 key pair that we created just now, and then create cluster. But I will not create because I've already created just now. Okay, now that we have our cluster ready, we want to convert our key pair from previously from PEM to PKK file. So how do we do it? We have to download this party key generator, and over here we have to load our change this to all files and load our original PEM files this one, and then we open. Okay, After that, you just load, and then you will have this PEM file over here generated. I've already generated previously. Okay, next, we want to set up a connection to our EMR cluster. So we will use party config for this. So over here, host name. Where do we get our host name? We have to go to our EMR cluster and copy this public DNS over here. After copying, go to party config, key in the host name, and over here in SSH, open up, and then authenticate. So what we do is we use our key pair files in PKK, and then open. Okay, just log in as to, and we are connected to our EMR file. Okay, so before we proceed, we will want to transfer files from our local computer to our Linux. So for this, we will be using FileZilla. And before we start, we have to make sure that we have our folder in place to transfer from our local computer to Linux. So over here, we can just open home. Okay, just over here, create a folder. Okay, I've created a Hadoop folder. And then once again, create a folder, and I've created the Oozie job. Okay, next, what we want to do is we want to go to FileZilla, set up our connection over here. We have done this in the previous assignment, so I will not go through on how we connect. And then just simply go into your folder where you keep all your drop files, and then navigate into our Oozie drop folder, and then drag and drop. As you can see, I've already drag and drop previously, so we will be able to see all these files in our Linux computer. Okay, so now that we have our files inside Linux, next we will want to transfer our file from Linux into the EMR cluster in HDFS. So we will first make a directory with this command. Okay, I've already made the directory. So next we will just check and verify if directory is there. Okay, we'll run this line. Okay, you can see Oozie drops is already here. So next, what we want to do is we want to put all our drop files from our Linux computer over here and put it into our HDFS. So we will run this command. I've already ran that previously. So next we want to check if it's already inside. Okay, so now we can see all our 5 items. These are our 5 drop files is already in HDFS. Okay, now that we have our job files in place, we will want to prepare to run our pig job. Before we can run our pig job, there's a few prerequisites that we have to do. We have to import these two jar files into our HDFS. So over here we have to create our jar files over here. After we create a library to store our jar file, and then to put these two inside. Okay, I've already done so previously. So next will be, we want to check if I've already done so. Okay, so we can see our jar files inside. So we have already completed all our prerequisites to run our Oozie job. So next, it will be, we are prepared to run our Oozie job. So this is our Linux command to run our Oozie job and to monitor. Yeah. So we will now go through the running of the Oozie job. We have gone through the whole process of creating our building our Oozie job. So this is the end of the video. Thank you.